Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on the Pupil Batch Update functionality in Pod. Pupil Batch Update is used if you wish to amend or edit information on a group of pupils all at the same time. Under the Your Options menu on the left hand side of the screen, go to Pupil and then Pupil Batch Update. Using the Pupil Batch search, select the group of pupils whose information you wish to amend or update. So in this, we want to update, in this example, mainstream pupils, and I want to update all the mainstream pupils who have not been assigned to a teacher or a class group. So I'm selecting not assigned to a class. If you had other criteria, you could use these now if you wanted to update pupils in a certain standard, or pupils that had left, or pupils that had not left. Click Search. This brings up a list of all pupils that are mainstream class type pupils who have not been assigned to a teacher or a class group. Select all of these pupils. Do this by ticking the box here and then also by clicking Select Pupils. You're now on the Enrollment Record tab, and you're now given the option of updating their teacher or their class name, and also, if you wish to do so, their enrolment date. Please note you do not have to update both of these, you can update one or the other. In this example, I want to update their teacher or their class group name. Their enrolment dates will remain as is, they will not be overwritten. So under the Teacher Class Group drop-down menu, I'm going to select the teacher who's going to teach these pupils. So in this example, it's going to be Miss Walpole. I'm now going to click Update Batch. And all of these pupils are now being taught by Miss Walpole. Note the original enrolment dates are still in place.